A benefit of having chicks at home is that they will control bugs in your garden. It is true that chickens will consume any bugs that wander into your garden. This results in a garden free of bugs. Chickens can resolve your garden's issues. They will organically fertilize your soil and consume bugs and other dangerous creatures. The fact that you can obtain fertilizer as payment is the most excellent part. Eggs are a great source of protein and vitamins, especially farm-fresh eggs from chickens. When compared to animal products, they are also a comparatively inexpensive source of high-quality proteins. Humans have been eating eggs for thousands of years, and numerous ancient cultures have created unique ways to prepare them. Nowadays there are many benefits to having your own chickens at home. Has many benefits. You can eat the chicken meat and eggs you produce. Fresh eggs are more nutritious than store-bought. You can save money on expensive grocery bills. Fresh eggs taste better. To save money and get fresh eggs, a basic backyard chicken coop can be a terrific idea. Although chickens will lay their own eggs, for most egg production, you might wish to acquire a rooster.